Hello guys and welcome back to Blush Shadows. It's the holiday weekend, so we'll be doing an Easter look today. Not quite an alternative Easter look at least. So stick around, get fresh faced, get your makeup on, let's get started. Alright, we're going to dip into the Black Cosmetics End of Summer Playlist palette. Get back into this red and this pink and this purple as well. So I'm going to start with the lightest shade. Start dabbing it in. Dip into this red. We're gonna dip into the CoverGirl palette, into this red as well, to add a little shimmer and darkness into that crease. Back into this palette and into the shimmer. Put that on the middle and inner corner. Back into the CoverGirl for this light champagne into the inner corner. Now get your favorite liner. Draw a big wing. We're going to follow that crease under our eye and make some extended lashes. Make a new waterline. There we go. Make it thicker as it gets to the top and connect with that bottom lash. Then branch out some extra lashes. If you have trouble getting your eyeliner to look similar, you can start with your worst side first. That way you have a base to go off of when you draw with your correct hand on your better side. I'm going to go with my Maybelline Black eyeshadow and block in the rest of that wing. Go back in with my liner and accentuate those lashes. Now we're going to go within our Maybelline Lasting Drama. And now we're going to dip into our blush. Dip into our contour. Highlight. A Cupid's bow. Top of the nose and cheeks. And onto brows. Once again, doing a light look with the brows. I'm going to be wearing a red wig, so I'm going to block in my eyebrows with a little bit of concealer. Brush it through so it coats the hairs. Alright, we're going to go into our CoverGirl and start doing the brows. deep brow gel we go. And let's get to lipstick. We're going to set this with a mist. And now I'm going to go in with some white freckles. And now we're going to add mascara. Alright, here's the finished look. How did you guys do? I think it came out pretty good. What do you think? Go ahead and subscribe to Blush Shadows. Hit that like button. It definitely helps with the algorithm. Feel free to hit that bell, make that bell sing. That way you know every time a new video drops. Thanks for joining us again in Blush Shadows. See you next time.